Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Citroën Dispatch panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by A and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside here at the dealership. This specific exemplar comes in the Enterprise trim level, is fitted with rear parking sensors, barn-style opening doors, and a roof vent, and also twin sliding doors. At the back you have a full metal bulkhead and plastic ply lining over the panels, plus wood ply lining with rubberized liner on top of it for the flooring. Size-wise, it's 125 centimeters in between the wheel arches, 132 centimeters at the lowest point of the roofline, and 242 centimeters of fully usable floor length. The cabin is in a 3-seat configuration with all 3 seats finished in leather and fabric in the center. The driver's seat is fully adjustable and independent, plus it's equipped with an adjustable armrest. The passenger seat bench houses a foldable tray table which pivots, and also storage space underneath. The vehicle is equipped with a passenger airbag and a locked glove box compartment with illumination on the passenger side, plus a parcel shelf at the center of the dashboard. The 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel is adjustable in height and depth, and behind it you can find the controls for the automatic headlights, cruise control, automatic wipers and media remote. On the armrest you find the standard controls for the electric, heated mirrors and power windows. The infotainment is a Citroen NAC in the 6 inches touchscreen configuration with DAB radio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through USB cable, and also capability to read any media from a USB port from here. From here you also get toggles for the parking sensors, start and stop, traction control, quick diagnostic, and also for how to unlock the vehicle. Just underneath the infotainment you find the air conditioning unit plus the heated mirror toggle, center lock unit and rear lock, plus the cigarette lighter port, a USB Type-A and a really useful shelf where you can store your phone. The vehicle comes with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroën Dispatch panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.